I received this comment on my latest video regarding an issue I faced with Gemini. The issue was Gemini Flash was not processing my mockup data and giving me an error every single time. When I was recording, I thought it was a temporary thing, so I dismissed it and used Flashlight. But this legend, Annie Orban, wrote that the reason was because I had the file open that caused it to lock. So now I'm going to try again with Gemini, but without having the file open. And I'm going to use the same prompt, but just to make it fair, I will use a new account, since I don't want it to gain advantage because it already processed the file yesterday. So I'm using my other account right now, Gemini Flash. I will use the same prompt, and I will use the same mockup data. Again, I will time it, even though I think it will do it super fast. If it's less than 10 seconds, I won't put a timer up. 3, 2, 1, start. Okay. So same thing. Sorry, something went wrong. Please try your request again. Which is very weird because I don't have the file open and it just doesn't want to work. For testing purposes, I will put it on Pro and I will make it do the thing again. Okay, so it didn't work and it doesn't want to do so. So I'm gonna try to see what's the issue. Okay, that's weird. So after I asked it what the issue is and why it's not doing the request, it responded and it actually did the request. So I don't know why it was not doing it before, and after I just texted it a generic prompt, it did it. But anyway, I apologize for the abrupt generic message in my previous turn. While running my initial code to inspect the data set, I hit an unexpected environment interruption that cut off the processing. I am fully ready to handle this now. I have successfully parsed the content. Okay, so business context and primary problem. Based on the raw data, the business context is a hyper-local multi-partner delivery or fulfillment operation, likely logistical aggregator. The primary problem, okay, data integrity, operational logging crisis specifically. Severe formatting decay, okay, that's good. Systematic delivery log glitches, bad operational typing. Full data audit findings. So here it inputted all the bad data basically, or all the data mines. Summary statistics, raw metric distortion. If left unclean, the average delivery time calculates to 43 minutes due to negative numbers offsetting real delays. True metric. So after it cleaning it, the average delivery time is 48 minutes, 0.42 seconds. And this is the HTML dashboard, which is the most important part. So weirdly enough, it gave me the dashboard without the data, but I'm gonna go with it and I'm gonna feed it the data again. Oh wow, that was fast. Okay, so total evaluated records 3,000, negative delivery flags 143, corrupted missing fields 301, true operational mean 48 minutes. Order volume distribution by channel, online, app, in-store, unknown. Okay, so this one is nice. Fulfillment window versus distance density. So here it's giving me the order distribution per store, basically. Cohort, cluster, delivery time, and standardized distance. So 9.7 kilometers, it's 53 minutes, etc. We have some orders here, 26 kilometers, 54 minutes. This is a new one, and none of the other AIs did it. Data diagnostic and repair stream. First 100 loads displaying raw metrics, physics reconstructed data types, optimized via clean logic. Okay, so it gave me back the repaired data, basically. As we can see here, it fixed it. But I'm guessing not very well. 19.8 kilometers, the normalized kilometer is 31, so we have to check why it did this. Everything else, it fixed the time, so if there's no time, it just didn't do it. Let's see if there's any mistake. Okay, minus 79. It fixed it to 79 minutes. 2.17 kilometers, 3.49 kilometers, 7.68 miles, 12. Okay, so it converted the miles to kilometers. Okay, cool. So it did what I asked it to do, but it did miss the point a bit. I think till now Claude is still the winner, but at least it processed the data and it was fast comparing to Claude. I still think free version Claude is better for data sets and for like for feeding it Excel files, large Excel files for it, and to find the context and to give you back your clean data basically. But yeah, thanks again for the legend, Annie. I hope you guys not face the same issue as I did, but just as a fix, I just send it another message and it should fix itself. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.